What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend BTC. Currently sitting at 21.9K. Seeing market cap about 419 billion. Down about 1.6 on the days. 24-hour volume, 22 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget or Bybit, sign up, grab those bonuses. 8,000 on Bitget, 30,000 on Bybit. Do the majority of my trading on Bitget. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord. We just locked in gains on the short positions from the peak. Entered at 1692 for Ethereum. Entered at 24.5K. For BTC, just locked in those juicy profits. So you can have completely free access to all chat rooms. My trade signals are $10 a month, but everything else is free. We have some members in here that post signals as well as analysis and all types of goodies. Anyways, let's hop into the chart. So Bitcoin's starting to see a nice reaction. Could be that the wave 3 is in. There's two scenarios that I'm looking at. If we see continuation to the upside from here, we came right down to our 21.5K target absolutely perfectly. We love to see it, and now we're seeing a bounce. So two scenarios. The first scenario is that we're going to put in a wave 4 in between 22K and 22.7K. However, if we break 22.7K, which is the max retracement, the 50% for a wave 4, then what we could look at is that we completed an A wave down. You're going to push up in a wave B, put in that right shoulder. Everyone's going to get really excited, may push all the way up to about 23.4, maybe even about 23.8K. And everyone's going to think, wow, we're going to 30K. And then we create that right shoulder, head and shoulders pattern, and we see a larger drop to the downside towards 19K. That is if we come up and we break 22.7. And if we don't break 22.7, then what you could be looking at is just a small right shoulder. We push up to 22.7K, which is right here. We roll over, and you would still have a nice head and shoulders pattern. So do keep an eye on that for BTC. Beautiful to seeing it playing out as we predicted. We talked about coming back down to 21.5K, and that would give us a good chance to see a reaction. And currently that's what we're seeing. We're seeing some nice volume stepping in, some buying pressure to push the price up. So this wave 3 definitely could be complete. If we break down, we create a lower low, then it just means that the wave 5 isn't complete, but it looks like we may see a nice push to the upside here. The DXY is continuing to roll over. I do think there's a good chance that the DXY will bounce from either 105 or 104. So what you may see is we come down to 104, or possibly to retest this support here at 104.2. As you can see, support in this area. That will allow BTC to push up into that wave 4 pullback zone, and then the DXY bounces and pushes up towards 106. We'll have to see how that plays out. The NDQ managed to hold the support of the double bottom, so if it sees continuation to the upside, obviously that's positive for BTC, and the Dow Jones is still flirting with that neckline. As I mentioned yesterday, we may see one more bounce to retest the EMAs or retest that trend line before getting rejected and seeing continuation to the downside, which will be negative for the markets. So far we're seeing a reaction off our wave 5 target at 21.5K. So what you want to look for is a 5-wave move up in a wave A. Now it could be a very small 5-wave move into a wave A, wave B, wave C to complete the wave 4. If we break 22.7, then I would look at that A wave being complete. You're going to push up in a 3-wave move in a B, get the bulls excited, create a head and shoulders, roll over, come down to 19K, and allow these bearish divergences to play out. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges, grab those bonuses, email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis trade signals. Just locked in juicy gains on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. $10 a month, same price as a Netflix subscription. Big Mac meal with the fries and a drink. And you'll get more value out of the Discord than you will destroying your health, in my opinion. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.